Okay guys, check out how we kill this market using this setup guys. Okay, this is just too beautiful. Okay, the market actually started the trend from here. It came to an end around here, then we got into a buy trend right from here also, and of course got to this region, and I'm going to review to you how we're able to achieve this using this setup. Okay, and how we got this done without any hiccups. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you are new on this platform, kindly take your time to browse through the channel, learn the strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying the strategies on your real account. Okay, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with this and share this with your friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right. In case you have any question, can you drop your questions within the comment section? I'll be there to reply. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so guys, I will be explaining how this strategy works, and of course how you can use it to make within $50 to $100 on daily basis. But with this particular trade which we took right here, we made over $1,000 with this. Okay, so and of course you too can also make the same thing. However, this also depends on your trading capital. We have some people that made far more than that. Okay, it all depends on your trading capital and the lot size you are using. Okay, quickly let's see how we're able to achieve this, how you too can also achieve the same thing. Okay, this all started, the whole story started from here, and of course this is smart trading tool. Okay, it is a custom made indicator, and of course it makes it very easy for you to know the direction of the market right from the beginning, and of course you will be able to analyze better with it. Okay, so quickly let's see how it works. Okay, like I've always been telling you, we have the major resistance and the support zone, which are at the top of the chart. Okay, so that is why I highlighted them using these horizontal lines. Okay, and of course when the market is approaching this level, it means that it is about to get to a major resistance zone, and of course it got there at this point, and of course all we need to do is to wait for the reaction of the market. Is it going to break out from this resistance zone, or it's going to change the direction of the trend? And in this case it's changed the direction of the trend. That is why you started, you're seeing these red dotted lines. Okay, so it means that the market is going into a downtrend, and of course every signal is pointing towards that. The reason is it has overbought already, it has got into a major resistance zone, and of course if it's not breaking out from there, then there should be a change in direction of trend, and of course it has given us a downtrend signal, and right here we got a sell signal. Okay, this makes it very easy for us to sell, so I believe right here is where everyone should sell. Okay, so we sold at this point. Okay, we started selling at this point. We placed an order around here. Okay, where we started selling, and of course when the order gave us huge profits, and at least it got to this region. Okay, so we had to readjust the stop loss in order for it to keep some profit for us. Okay, before I move further, let me explain this to you. After placing an order right here, I've always been telling you, once you place an order, you should also set your stop loss immediately in order for you to secure your capital. Okay, after securing your capital, the next thing you should do is to readjust your stop loss to lock up your profit as soon as you start making profit. Okay, so right here, after making some reasonable amount of profit, all you need to do is to readjust your stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so this actually got to this region, and it kept on going down, and of course all you need to do is to readjust your stop loss further to keep more profit for yourself. Okay, and as it is getting to a major support zone, okay, I expect you to lock up more profit for yourself. At this point, you should be locking up about 80% of the profit right from there. This actually spiked up from here, and of course it got to your stop loss. It will take you out of the market, and the market range around there for a while, so you wait for it, and of course it got to this support zone, and it started a buy trend right from there. Okay, so right from here it started a buy trend, so I expect you to go into the market again and place a buy order, and you can milk the market till the end of the trend again, just the way we have it right here. Okay, so right here we should have a buy order around here. We should have a buy order around here. And of course, if you follow this buy order, you can see the green dotted line. Okay, every signals are pointing towards an uptrend. The reason is, okay, it has got into a major support zone, and of course giving us a green dotted line, and of course it has also given us a buy signal around there, so which means that we can go in right now and buy. Okay, and of course guys, the market has oversold already. Okay, so this is very, very important. So we were able to go in around here, around here and of course milk the market to the very end of the trend, and the market, I mean the order is still going on. If you have not closed your order, then you should lock up 80% of the profit right now. Okay, you should lock up 80% of the profit right now, because this is about getting to a major resistance zone, which is very, very important. Okay, so you guys should take note of this and practice very well with the asset. So this makes it very easy. Let me just give us a quick summary of what actually happened. Okay, right here we got a sell order, and we were able to milk the market to the very end of the trend, that is from here to here. Okay, and of course right here we got a buy order, and of course we are able to milk the market from here, and it is still going on. Okay, so you can see this is so juicy and so unique, so you all can also take advantage of this opportunity right away. Okay, it's a matter of the exact trading tool which you are using. Okay, if your trading tool is not making it easy for you to analyze the market easily, then you should get a very good one. Here is one, and you can contact me to know more about it. Okay, and of course guys, that is how it works. So if you are having this trading tool, you can go back to your demo account and try this out and see if you are not going to end up today's trading activities in profit. Okay, if you are unable to end it up in profit, kindly contact me on WhatsApp and we're going to check it out together. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.